Start.
Hi, my name is Himanshi Kang, and today I, along with my colleagues Atharv Gurleen and Harjot, will be presenting the development of Microsoft Excel-based data analysis and interpretation platform created for Cleanaway Waste Management Limited, or CWM, one of Australia's leading companies in environmental and waste management. In a world that is becoming increasingly data-driven, businesses like Cleanaway need agile and insightful tools to manage complex operations and support strategic decision making. This platform was built to transform raw, multi-source data such as operational costs and recycling volumes into actionable, insightful using Excel's powerful features like pivot tables, dashboards, and scenario analysis. The data used was sourced from Cleanaway's public financial declarations and environmental data platforms like Kaggle, ensuring a robust and relevant data set for analysis. Now, moving on to the next slide, which is introduction. The platform was entirely developed in Microsoft Excel, specially to answer real world management questions faced by the Cleanaway team. Cleanaway is a major national player in Australia's waste management sector, operating across various industries such as municipal solid waste, industrial services, and hazardous waste. Excel, as a widely available and powerful tool for business analytics, was an ideal choice for this project. Rather than a traditional document, what you will see today is more of a demonstration showing how this platform can directly support cleaner waste decision making through practical insights and data analysis. And then when we move to the next slide, which is data source and relevance. So, Cleanaway Waste Management Limited was selected for the study because understanding its financial, operational, and environmental data offers a comprehensive view of modern corporate waste management. The dataset was built from various open sources, including Cleanaway's annual reports from 2020 to 2023, the Australian Bureau of Statistics for Environmental Data, and public datasets from Kaggle and data.government.au. Key elements from the dataset included segment revenue across different sectors, monthly waste collection volumes, and landfill diversion rates. All of this data forms the foundation for the platform's powerful insight. And for the next slide, Gulleen will take over. So over to Gulleen.
Hi, I'm Kushinder Kaur. I will describe about the platform development in Microsoft Excel. There are two implications. First one is data importation and cleaning, and the second one is structuring the workbook. First one includes the information from CSV and XLX formats was gathered together in Excel. Second includes removing duplicates and questionable entries. Moreover, it also includes ensuring consistency throughout the datasets by using various data validations, such as time formats or tonnage units. Next one is tagging outliners by using conditional formatting. Structuring the workbook includes the various categories such as raw data, pivot tables and summaries, dashboards, and forecasting models. The next slide includes the analytics techniques, which includes two techniques. First one is descriptive statistics, and next one is time series and trend analysis. Statistics mainly include such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviations, which are used for interpreting the monthly revenues, emissions, and service volumes. Time series and trend analysis includes some Microsoft Excel's line charts, which are used to show the monthly data. These charts were then exchanged by adding moving averages to smooth out any fluctuations that might be present in the data. The next slide mainly involves pivot tables for segmentations. These tables were categorized by service lines. It includes the two main analyses. First one is what if and scenario analysis, and the next one is visual dashboards. Scenario analysis includes it cautions the two answers. First one is if we increase the volume of material recycled by 15%, and how much will we have to pay for the fuel. Visual dashboard includes the three dashboards. First one is KPI trackers, second one is heat maps, and third one is bar line charts. And next I will give all the slides to the Harjot. Over to Harjot.
Yes, I'm going to present on the application of platform to decision making. The first one is operational efficiency, and second is environmental sustainability. Third one is financial decision making, then customer service and contract binding. In operational efficiency, there is examining fuel consumption per ton of waste revealed a deeper story. Most of the waste we pick up is heavy and it takes a lot of power to move it. In environmental sustainability, the emissions dashboard disclosed an upward trend in CO2 emissions, even tough. There were slight increases in the waste collection. This allowed identification of process gaps in clean waste, green fleet transition plan, and guidance for making corrective investments. Financial decision makings, it covers all the profits in industrial services were declining. Our pricing was not tracking with the cost we were in agreeing to deliver our service. Second, embedded in those costs were some major increases that were not going to get better in customer service and contact binding. By employing historical revenue and service volumes, Cleanaway was able to see its service capacity and more competitively quote on new municipal contracts. I'm moving to next slide, which cover case inside clean waste, curbside recycling improvement. It diverting waste from landfill increased by 11%. Processing that waste took 18% less time, and customer complaints about service dropped by 22%. Then strengths and limitations of the Excel-based platforms. Strengths covers accessibility. Excel is easy to get to and simple to use, making it open to a wide spectrum of users, from total greenhorns to professional number crunchers. And then integration. Excel provides effortless import and export options with numerous cloud systems, including SharePoint and OneDrive. Then I'm moving to the limitations. It's the first one is scalability. Excel is not optimal for working with real-time data or massive data sets, especially those surpassing 1 million rows. Second one is manual input risk. Entering information by hand in Excel introduces the risk of errors like incorrect formulas or misclicks. Third is the data processing capabilities of AI system surpass those of Excel due to advanced analytics functionalities available in the Power BI alongside Python programming languages. Then I am going to give slides to Athra.
Thank you, Jyot. Moving forward, we'll be discussing about the recommendation and for enhancing platform utility. So, platform we have developed for Cleanway waste management is basically Excel based, which we explained earlier. But there are more platforms available in the market, such as Power BI, which stands for Power Business Intelligence, and it's a fully automated system which is powered through Power Query, which simplifies work while minimizing the human errors, which could be done due to the entering of data manually into the Excel. Using Power BI and interactive web dashboards. So using Power BI in interactive dashboards helps the stakeholders and the investors to gain the trust, because the most of the data which is being explained is in visual formats, so it gives more real-time insights of the business. And the third one is empower middle level management and advanced data literacy. As we all know, in the business, mid level managers are a bridge between the higher level managers and the lower level managers. So empowering mid level managers with a targeted training of data literacy could really help the company to grow faster with the data literacy from lower level management to upper level management. And connecting the data analytics system with ERP system, as Excel is basically used, but it's outdated, and Excel has some of the limitations that we discussed earlier. So connecting the Excel to the EPR sheet has to be the EPI system connects the live data stream to the visualization of the data. And then we're moving on to the last slide, which is the conclusion of the whole report. So Cleanway Excel showcase how structured data can be and analyzed and help decision making. So when we conclude the data into a one form of sheet and make the heat maps or the visualized data, which gives a real-time projection of the business and the business heading, it is much easier for the stakeholders and the investors to get a real time known of the business performance. And the Excel is fundamentally not just a tool of implementation, but also a tool of design and for the renovation and reinvention of something we might call a business model. That is in the way in which something providing to be cleaning services goes